Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be going ahead and looking at texturing our teapot. So first things first, let's grab both those objects and do edits, delete all by type history. Next thing I'm going to do is click on Arnold and click on Sky Dome Light. Alright, so this is going to be kind of up to you guys on how you want to texture it. I'm kind of thinking I want the top to be black because I like that, so you can go ahead and go to face mode and just briefly select those faces. You can kind of tilt around, hold tab and double click to make sure you got them all. Here we go. And then hold right click, assign new material, choose shader, and then go to AI standard surface. Oh, I meant AI standard surface, which is this guy. Then I'm going to select that and make it black. For the rest of everything, let's select all those faces and then hold Control and deselect and then double click those guys. Hold tab and select these guys. And then I'm going to make this, I think I'm just going to keep it like your typical porcelain white teapot. Actually, I kind of like it maybe blue. Let's click on AI standard surface and pick like a fun, maybe like a teal, something kind of cool. I like that idea. And then click on this guy and do assign existing material and click on whichever you just made that teal to be. So it can look like that. All right, if you go to Arnold render, you can see how it's turning out. It is like super plasticky, super bright. So if you want it to be very like reflective, then that works. If not, what you want to do is click on AI standard surface. Mine is number 4, yours will probably be number 2. And then you're just going to want to up these guys. So like diffuse roughness. I would keep metalness down if you don't want it to look like metal. So if you're doing like a tin teapot, then like go for it. But since mine's going to be kind of porcelain, I don't want it to be as reflective. I'm going to up the roughness. This can kind of be down. And then technically, if you want to explore some different options, if you click on this checker, you can choose things from here. So maybe like you want to mess around with like a granite one. Then we could change like the colors for this. So for example, if I want to go with like a blue scheme, mine could maybe go like, maybe like that. It's going to take a little bit longer to load in, but you can see it has like a fun, almost like ceramic type texture now. And then what I would also do is for that little black top, I would make it leather, but then instead of like that kind of like weird corkscrew, make the cell size really small. And then I think I'm gonna make mine like blackish brown. There we go. That looks pretty fun. And then you can kind of choose if you want more black or brown, depending on your density. Spawniness I think is fine to be lower. Randomness I would keep up to kind of make it fun. Threshold I would also keep up. All right. So that's how my teapot's looking. I actually really like that we explored the granite option. I think that's so fun. But yeah, if you guys want to change the colors, that would be in here. So totally feel free. But yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. So you can kind of just mess with all of that. You can up the cell size or make them smaller if you want it to look more grainy. But that is it for this tutorial. So I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!